I mean? When we come together like this, incredible things take place. See, we connect thoughts to collect shorts, and only the strong survive. I love my black people.
Before Sunday night.
Okay, so you did okay now with the child support. All right, child support breaks down into visitation.
No, child support is just child support.
I'm sorry.
Now, determine how the courts will determine child support in California. They use a software program. Well, there's a couple of different programs, but primarily they use a software program called DissoMaster. That's DissoMaster.com. They interested person can go online and play with the program and get some idea of what child support can or should be. Mm-hmm. And what goes into that program is the income of both parents, the percentage of time that both parents are with the children. For example, if a father is a weekend father, he may only be assigned 20% because that's all the time that he's putting in. So the way the courts look at it, the more time you put in with your children as a absent parent, the less you will pay, because they want to encourage both parents to be involved with the children in
Correct.
Their extracurricular activities, homework, just raising them.
Yeah.
Okay.
So with the courts, it breaks down to custody, visitation, and child support. Am I correct?
Right.
All right. So, from what I know, all three of those are pretty much at the sole discretion of the judge.
The courts encourage parties to reach their own agreement,
Which is mediation.
Yes.
And you go to mediation before.
The courts require parents to go to what is called conciliation court, mediation, before they come before the judge. Mm-hmm. And the purpose of that is to try and have the parties meet with an expert who will help them fashion an agreement. But you don't have to reach an agreement, but it's really in the party's best interest to reach an agreement, especially if you have attorneys, because the less time that you're using your attorney time, the more money in your pocket.
Correct. But the okay, now out of those three, the main issue that you see between the couples is usually money, though, right?
Yes.
Okay. Because that was an issue of mine. I was given the opportunity to mediate first, and the number given was so outrageous that you would think I played for the Lakers.
Well, the thing about mediators really are not supposed to deal with the child support number. They're just supposed to discuss. I don't know what happened there. They're just supposed to discuss.
Keep going.
Custody.
Mm-hmm.
And parenting time. And then the court is the one that runs the figures.
Through the DissoMaster.
Right. To determine
and then that's where the number comes out.
Right.
Yeah. Okay, so
the thing about it, a lot of paying parents, because a lot of times the mothers are the payers and the children are with the fathers. So a lot of times the paying parent just doesn't conceptualize that raising children today is costly. Like you say, they treated you like you were a Laker. You can't get a decent 2-bedroom home in under $2,000.
That's true.
You can't. So, I mean, I tell a lot of people who come to me and they say, well, I don't have any money to support my child. I said, do you eat? Do you have some place to live? Your child needs the same thing. So you've got to put your child first. That's what the courts expect. They want you to put your child first.
Yeah. And they will enforce it. They will enforce it. One thing that I found through my journeys through the court system, both downtown on what's that, First Street,
Hill,
and
First
then
and Hill.
First and Hill, and then on Commonwealth. One thing I found out is if you hold a license, like being a licensed realtor,
license anything in California. That's
They
probably
can
in
take-
most states.
they can take it. They'll take your driver's license, your real estate license. If you're a security guard, a licensed security guard, they will take your security guard license.
But the whole purpose is to get you to obey a court order.
Correct. Okay, but how
They won't put you in jail because it's not.
how do you feel about that? Do you think that it makes sense to take somebody's source of making income
if they're not paying.
if they're not paying?
The only reason they will do that is if the paying parent is not paying. If you make an arrangement to pay, mind you, there's a court order which you must obey, because if you disobey a court order, you can go to jail, not because you didn't pay, but because you disobeyed the order.
court
That's
order.
how they get around that, the debtor's prison, so to speak.
Correct.
But the whole purpose is, if the court orders you to pay a certain amount in child support, the court has run the numbers. And the court is not concerned that you have a $1,000 car payment and you only want to pay $200 for child support. The court is coming up with a number that's reasonable to raise the child, so the child should not be on welfare.
Correct.
So, yes, I think it's fair.
Okay. Thanks for watching Real Estate Corner on the Millionaire Mindsets podcast. I'm your host, Anthony Tullis. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, or you could DM me for more in-depth questions. I'll answer either way. I'm providing one-on-one consultations for all current and future homeowners. You can't predict the market, but you can get educated. Why not you? Why not now? Like, share, and subscribe.